Another small addition to 3D Coat is the Transform gizmo has now got a widget that allows you to scale along 2 axes at the same time. Now you always could hover over the middle, and when you see the highlighted cube in the middle, that's a global scale widget. And then you could always scale along a specific axis. But you never had the ability to scale along 2 axes at the same time. So for example here, I may not want to scale the entire object. I may just want to scale the circumference of it. So to do that, let's go ahead and click Center Mass. And I'll hover in this area where I have this widget. As I move around, it will change based on the camera angle. And I'm going to hold down the Shift key to rotate just the gizmo only. So now, again, I'll just hover and click. But yeah, you can see how it's just expanding the circumference, and that's it. Now here shortly, Andrew probably will add some more functionality to this. For example, the translate or move along 2 axes will probably be added by holding down a modifier key. But again, this will be your 2-axis widget going forward. So thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.